North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Jacksonville Police Department is searching for Amari Gabriel Christensen. Amari Gabriel Christensen is a 6-year-old black male, approximately 4 feet tall, weighing 80 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. Amari Gabriel Christensen was last seen wearing a black long-sleeve shirt with the wording "Game on it, blue sweatpants with sharks, black sneakers, and a navy blue jacket. He was in possession of a Power Ranger backpack and lunchbox with Minecraft or Paw Patrol on it. The abductor is unknown. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Jacksonville Police Department immediately at 910-938-7585 or call 911 or star HP. This is an Amber Alert.